Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we are going to see how we can write comments in Python. So let's write a line of code from the previous lesson where we wrote hello world. All right. And now when I want to run this, I can just go in over here and press the run button. And this prints out hello world, right? Sorry about that. Okay. So now sometimes, I have a few lines of code and I don't want to print certain lines of code. So in that way, in that case, what we can do is use hashes. So this is what a hash sign looks like. And this is what we do to comment code in Python. So when I run this now, Python will go in and see this file. It will execute this code and it will execute this code, but it will not execute this code because of this comment that we have commented out the whole line. And to comment it, we have used this symbol hash, right? So you see it wrote hello world and then hello world 1 and then 2. But then it did not print out hello world 2, right? Okay, so this is the first case where you can use comments. Another scenario where you want to use comments is so now that I've removed the comment, if I run this, it prints out all the three lines of code. Another use of comments is I want to describe my code here. So this is how you would write comments, and then what Python would do is go in and execute till here, and then it wouldn't execute anything after here, right? So let's try to see that. So you see the output is exactly the same. And what Python has done is it has ignored this comment. Another way to do the same thing, and which is a convention, is to put your description of the code above the line. So this comment describes this piece of code. Okay. And now when I run it, I will get the exact same output, right? So there are just different ways to write comments in Python. So sometimes you might want to add it in front of the line. Sometimes you might want to add it at top of the line. Okay. Now there is also one more scenario where there is a lot of comments and more than one line, right? So sometimes you might have big comments or descriptions which will go for more than one line. So in this case, what you can do is you can use a multi-line comment. So what this does is basically anything inside these three quotes over here. All right, this is also a comment and Python is going to ignore this. All right, so let's try and see this. Right. So now that so let's try to change something over here. Let's add 0. So you see it printed out everything exactly the same. And this whole line, I can write, one whole paragraph over here. It doesn't matter. And all of this is going to be ignored, right? Cool. So that's all you need to know about comments and why we use comments. So mainly comments is used to describe your code or to comment out a piece of code that you don't want to run or execute. All right. In PyCharm, what you can do to comment code is basically just click on that line and press command / or in Windows, I think it's control / and this will automatically comment the line. So that's kind of a shortcut that you can use with PyCharm. And another way to uncomment is use the same options again, command and / right? So that's how you comment code in Python. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.